Hi, this is Ivan, and on this video we will see how to download Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio and how to install it in our machine. We'll also see how to download one of the samples that Microsoft provide to us called AdventureWorks and how to install that or how to upload that into our database so we can start working on it. Okay, so to start with, let's go to the executable file that we got last time. And I'm just going to double click that. It's the same one that you used to install SQL Server. And that's going to pop up, give you this pop-up, right? That we've seen it before. We use that as well to install SQL Server. I'm going to click on the third one. The third one is going to bring me to a link where I'm going to see download SSMS. So let me click on that link, save whatever I wanted to save. Okay, let's wait for a little bit. All right, almost there. Okay, clicked on it. Let's see if that what's going to open. There you go. All right, so this is what I'm installing it. Let's just click the install button. Let that go. Almost there. There you go. Let me close it. And let me try to open now. See what I see. SSMS. Gonna pop that up. Click on it. Oh, let me pin that. Okay. Open it. There we go. So it already shows me the server. So if I click OK, I can actually check what tables I've got in there. Those are the default ones that are the default ones present when you install SQL Server before. But now I want to also download the database, the sample database from Microsoft. So let me just type here AdventureWorks 2000 install. I'm just typing here AdventureWorks install. It's gonna bring me to this. I want to for the purpose of this course, I just need the OLTP download. So I'm gonna get the latest one. AdventureWorks 2017. Let me save it, whatever I want to save it. Here is just showing all the ones that you can download right now. I mean, the creation script is, so if you want to use a script instead of the way I'm going to show you, I mean, there are many different ways you can actually install this database, the sample, the tables in the database. I'm going to show you one way, but there are many different ways. And here is just explaining all the different ways you can do it. Okay. All right. I have this open. Let me click here. Let me go to attach database, then device. Let me locate where I saved that file. I just downloaded it. So remember where you downloaded it. Here it is. Okay. Okay again. And it's done. Okay, now it's done. All right, so as I can see here, it's there, right? It popped up there. I can check the tables there. I can start playing with it, so let me go here to tables. It's going to show all the tables that were actually installed. I can just select one of them, see if there's any data in there, and there is. So now I do have SQL Server Management Studio. I have a database that I'm going to use to create all my projects in SSIS. I can just close all this and just remember that from here on out, we're just going to be doing some projects in SSIS, and you're going to need few applications installed. Okay, you're going to need Visual Studio, and I showed how to do that previously. You're also going to need Microsoft SQL Server installed, and I showed how to do that. And this later one was how to get the SSMS in one of the databases out there. Do you need that? You may not need it for now, but it's good to have it already, okay? So if you don't have any of those tools and you need any help on downloading them, just make sure you go back to my videos previously and you see all of them in there, okay? See ya.